we done?
What is up, guys? It's Devontae back again with my second video of the day, and I was just wanted to make this quick video on the email campaigns and how powerful it really is, because now I'm able to send out emails to old leads that I was getting from way back when. And before I was not able to do that. I was not able to send out a custom email that could have my videos in the email. I can have anything I want can be in that email. And here's the list of emails that I've sent to. I think it was about I say it was like 13,000 emails. Maybe if I go back, maybe it'll show me something. Yeah, so this is basically the point, because I sent out a custom email campaign to a list of to all my old leads that was generated through all my previous capture pages, such as the go-to-my-funnel.com, aka the lead lightning capture pages. And I wanted to reconnect with them, so now they all gotten the email from me, and I'm gonna show you what the email said. This was basically a dump for me email. All I did was basically just add my YouTube videos. So right here where it says watch this short video where I show you how it's possible using this done for you system. You click on the video, it sends you straight to my video. And this is like the most important part in everything, getting people to connect your face with your your emails to your face, to your YouTube videos, to your Facebook, and all those other things, so they can get connected with you and get stay tuned with what you're doing. You have their emails, so now you want them to start looking at your YouTube videos, just so they can see that you're not just like a robot. You know what I'm saying? So that's another thing I really like about the email campaign. And the email campaign was done for me with the share code that I just added, that I just done in my last video. Those It's all done for me. Everything is done for you. Okay, so you really don't have anything. It's not anything complicated. Just go to manage. Actually, I go here. We're gonna go to I'm going to add campaign. Actually, no, we're going to go to view/edit campaign. So that's what we're going to do. Just show you really quickly how I just did that, just for the sake of the video. I really want you guys to see this, because this is very powerful. So I'm going to go to the particular email. Where is it? That's the one I just made. Okay, here it is right here. Actually, you click this button right here to modify. Click here to make a copy for yourself. Alright, so here's the copy of it. Now you can rename the campaign to wherever you want it to. For the sake of the video, I'm gonna just name YouTube video, YouTube tutorial. I'm gonna hit submit, and now I'm able to edit this set of emails here. So I can just go to view/edit, and it'll pop up, and this is how you would incorporate your own videos and basically put in your little 2 cents. Your YouTube video or a Facebook group or your Facebook. You can put all that stuff into the email, where you can have the traffic come to the capture page, and then the capture page will follow up with the autoresponder, and then they're going to start getting all your YouTube, Facebook groups, all your important links will come in the email, because you made it yourself in the autoresponder. And it's just all done for you, and it's so simple. You don't have to. Everything is on autopilot for you. All you gotta do is just edit the email one time, and then bam, it's saved, and it can be sent to thousands and thousands of people in your email list. And that's what I just did. You've seen the email, the confirmation email. If I had to show it again, here's the results. Some people deleted their deleted their emails off my list. That happens sometimes, you know. But it's no biggie, you know, because it doesn't matter if you join me or not. I still have to have people looking at my business anyway. So if you join or not, I'm still buying, I'm still getting traffic, I'm still driving traffic, I'm still slamming traffic. All right, so I didn't want to make this video too long. I just wanted to really explain the power in the email system and basically more features of being a gold member instead of just being a one-time $7 member. I recommend you upgrade to at least a gold membership, and you're able to have more freedom within the last year being broke plan and your marketing system, create which will in turn make your whole system more unique and basically put your own style into your own last year being broke plan. So that being said, I really appreciate you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.